What's up, YouTube fam? Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a Sachs Madass 125. Let's do it. First you have to start with a warmed up engine, so I'm going to crank it up, let it idle for a little while, a couple minutes, 2 or 3 at most it says. Now we're going to drain the engine oil with this 11/16. Not too bad. Now I'm going to remove this right crankcase cover, which is more involved. So in order to remove this cover, I'm actually going to have to take off the pedals and the rear brake, it looks like. There we go. So not realizing that the pedals were actually part of the kickstand assembly, I had to get the bike up off the ground in order to take those off. So I've now rigged up a chain and ratchet straps into the rafters. Super safe, but it's getting the job done. Now it says to wipe out the interior of the cover with a lint-free cloth. So in lieu of a new gasket, I'm throwing some of the Right Stuff gasket maker on. Don't do that, though. Don't order a new gasket ahead of time. Alright, everything's bolted back up. I'm going to fill it now with what it calls for is, well, 0.8 liters, so that's 0.84 and some change quarts. The optimal oil, it's motorcycle oil 15W40. This is within the range of tolerances it calls for, and, you know, I'm not from England, it's a lot hotter here in Florida. So I'm opting for the heavier weight and Lucas. I like Lucas stuff. So, I'm gonna pop this in here. Also got a spark plug. I'm gonna put that into. The manual calls for CR7HSA, whatever, some kind of NGK, something or another. So I'm gonna pop that in there and we'll be good to go. Alright, so that's it. New spark plugs in. Oil's changed, everything's back on, bolted up, happy, good. Well, I hope. And so now we're gonna give it a little crank up and see what happens.